everyone, my name is Kaluba and welcome to my channel. Today is Sunday and I'm going on holiday tomorrow and I have a whole huge list that I need to get done. So I really need to do my hair because I have let it grow out way too long and I know you've been seeing the regrowth the past couple of days, so that needs to be done. My hair has been taken out and that took such a long time, and partly because I let it grow out so long it was really hard to detangle, and then I washed it last night. I was just struggling. Okay, I was really struggling, but it's all done now. Today I need to blow dry and straighten it. Your girl has 4C hair. Straighten what? Just to make it easier, because my mum does my hair and it's a lot faster if it's straightened, so it's easy to brush the hair. And then I also really have to redo my nails. Look at that. Oh! Look how embarrassing that is. Disgusting. Can you believe I've been walking around looking like this? Yesterday someone complimented my nails. My nails? They're probably doing it to be mean, honestly, but look at that. That is terrible. So that needs to be redone. I need to paint my toenails, and I also have to pack. And that all needs to be done by today. So I woke up early. It's 7 a.m. right now, and I'm tired, but I need to blow dry because my hair is going to take the longest, and then I have to do everything else. So yeah, hopefully I can get it all done. I haven't realized how much I have to do until right now. Oh well. Okay guys, look at this. This is my natural hair. Oh my goodness. It's really grown. Oh my god. I did the big chop in 2019, so when I was in year 10, and I've just been growing it ever since, really. But wow, I'm starting to be like, wow, this is a big afro, you know, like now I have to straighten it. That's gonna be fun. It's less struggle than blow drying though, that's for sure. Blow drying is the worst part because at times you are pulling the hair out of your scalp, so it hurts. I don't mind straightening it. I have this really old straightener. It's my mom's, and she probably had it since before my sister was born, so it's really old, but it does the trick. And I always do it at the lowest heat setting, which is 150, because I'm not trying to damage my hair, and I'm only trying to make it easier to put a comb through it. I'm not really trying to straighten it anyway, which I have tried to do and it doesn't work. But look, I've just blow dried it and I can barely, yeah, that's stuck. Straightening it is the best thing that you can do, just to make it easier. And I like making it easier because then it's faster, even though this part is hard. I'm done. Oh my god. That took me like an hour of that, but that's okay. This is my hair straightened. As you can see, there is a difference. It's like you can tell it's longer. This is the full length of it. It's still fluffy. And it actually has a little bit of weight to it because now it's getting long enough to actually move, which is kind of cool. Little mushroom cloud. I look like Dora right now, but that's okay. So now I'm gonna have my hair done and hopefully it gets done quickly because it is now getting late in the day. I mean, it's still the morning, but you know, I got so many things to do. This is the first time that I have ever been able to do a puff in my head. Like, I have just a really big hair tie, but look at that. I mean, it looks weird because I only did it to see if I could, but look at that. That's so cool. I can tie my hair all in one because I always do two because my hair's never been long enough. But wow. Hello everyone, my hair is done and I decided to take just a little half-hour nap because I was exhausted. My hair got done really quickly. Normally my hair takes like 1 day or a day and a half, sometimes even 2 days, but my mum knew the time pressures that I was on, so she helped me out and we got it done. I needed to take a nap because I have this thing where, you know how your head hurts so much once it's done and it's like all sticking up and stuff. If you lay down, it like forces you to get used to it and like helps your head push down. So that half hour nap makes my head feel really good. It's 3 o'clock now, so it did still take, we started like 8:30, so it still took like what, 5.5 hours, 6 hours. I still have a whole bunch of errands to run. I still really have to pack. I really have to clean my room before I start packing. Look at that. And like I couldn't even clean up anything, so all that was in my bed. And I was way too tired to do anything. And I was supposed to do it last night, but I didn't because I was taking out my hair, which took a really, really long time. It is 3 o'clock now. And I'm pretty sure shops close at 5 because it is Sunday today, which means that I only have 2 hours to get 3 full things done. It's not the greatest because they're all in different areas, so I have to be driving around. But I feel like I should pack this up because when I get back, I have to pack. So what's the point of, I don't know. I'll figure out what to do. I am gonna, do a hair review, obviously. So this is my hair. Ooh, it's still really painful. And it's got brown tips. It is straight, but I think it's just because it was in the in my bonnet while I was asleep. I really like it, but I feel like this is the first time I've ever had black hair since I was in high school. But like mid-high school, because I used to just do brown, and then, you know, I've done colors for so long. So this is my first time, and I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I feel like so ordinary with just black hair. You know, I'm so used to having like either blonde in my hair or having my hair purple or having it red, but it's just kind of black. Like, it's still really nice. Like, I'm looking at it and I'm like, okay, this is really nice, but it's just black. Like, why didn't I do this with like brown and then have red tips? Or I don't know, but I'm gonna deal with it and I hope you like it. But let's actually start the day. Let's actually leave the house. Okay, I have decided to clean my room before doing anything else because that is just unacceptable. Unacceptable. So I'm gonna do that now so that when I get home, everything's nice and clean and tidy so I can actually start thinking, because I feel like I can't think while this is like this. Okay, so I know that I said that I was just gonna clean my room, don't mind that, but I ended up feeling so productive and I've set out everything that I need clothes-wise. Now all I have to do is pack it and then do everything that isn't clothes, like, you know, chargers, everything like that. So yeah, I don't know where I got that from, but I got it done. Now I really have to rush because that took an hour. So I gotta leave now. This is everything like relatively sorted out in a relative order. I think the reason that I was so organized is because I literally was watching this show called Inventing Anna as I was doing it, and I was so invested, but it also made me do my stuff faster. And I was like, well, I might as well have everything sorted out so that I have less time to do it later on. But now I gotta go. I'm with my sister and we just struggled to find parking because for some reason the entire parking lot is full. And getting here was rubbish because it was also full. We're both getting our nails done. We're gonna get whatever we need to get and buy for our trip, and Lily's got her own stuff going on. But yeah, we are back and we got our nails done and we got all our errands done at 5 o'clock on the dot. Like, we are so lucky. That's my sister's nails and these are mine. I was going to do a classic French tip, which I think I did say. Hers are so cute. Look at the cherry. But then I was like, look, I'm going on holiday and I am someone who sticks to habits so much, and I thought I really need to try something new. So this is my something new. I think it's really nice. They're so cute. I think in hindsight I might do like a darker color because when you go far away, oh no, you can still see it. But anyway, now it is like what, 10 past 5? 5:30. 5:30 and I need to leave my house at 7:40. So I've got 2 and a bit hours because I need to leave because we're leaving at like 4:45 together, obviously. So the countdown starts now. At least I have all my clothes laid out, but I need to pack them and I need to do all my charges and everything else. So that'll be fun. Let's get to it. Hi, So now it is time for the really fun part, which is packing the bag. I feel really nice with my nails because like they were so overgrown, and this feels really natural and cute. I guess I'm just gonna put on the show I was watching and get to it because I only have, it's 6 o'clock now, so I got an hour and 40 minutes really to pack and shower. Just please wish me luck. That's all I can really say here. So I am freshly showered, fully packed, finally. I had some issues with the combination lock because I have a brand new bag, this small one and this one that I got for Christmas. The big one, the combination seems to have already been set, so I can't set it, which is so weird and really annoying. So I have to use an old-fashioned lock to lock the bag, but that one's all good. I have my overnight bag and just making sure that I have everything all ready, which it is, and I'm so excited to finally leave. I just need to have dinner and I'm gonna go to my man's house and we are going to just chill and make sure that we have everything ready and then leaving early tomorrow morning. But I really hoped you enjoyed coming along with me today, and I love my nails so much. I'm very happy that I decided to do something differently. I really hope that you enjoyed coming along with me today, helping me get my nails done and my hair done, and it's in a bun right now because I was showering. But thank you so much, and I hope to see you with me tomorrow where we're actually leaving and we'll have our first day in the Gold Coast. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so that you can see more of me and that you can also support me, and I will see you tomorrow.